Namaskar. Many days, when you wake up in the morning and you look yourself in the mirror, you see they are there again, those stubborn dark circles. No matter how much you sleep, hydrate, or ignore, they keep coming back darker and stronger. Dark circles don't just make you look exhausted, they shake your confidence. If you have tried all the serums, creams, and viral under eye patches with zero results, you have come to right place. Today, I am going to tell you 4 easy, natural, and very effective remedies for dark circles. And that too, you can try at home. No harsh chemicals, no big bills, just simple, natural, organic solutions. Towards the end, I will also give you special tips to rejuvenate your whole face. First remedy for dark circle is raw potato compress. Yes, simple plain potato can help you fight your dark circles. Raw potato has natural bleaching properties due to an enzyme called catechol. It helps lighten pigmentation and even soothe puffiness. Here's what you have to do. Grate a raw potato, squeeze out the juice, soak 2 cotton pads in it, place them over your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. This remedy not only cools tired eyes, but regular use can visibly brighten under eye dark circles in just few days. A quick tip for this remedy is keep the juice in the fridge as it works better when chilled. You can keep it in fridge for up to 3 days to use it. Do not keep it longer than that. Well, let's see another remedy that will help you fight those stubborn dark circles. Another remedy is green tea. Green tea or chamomile tea bags, when cooled and applied over the eyes, can drastically reduce puffiness and lighten pigmentation. This is because green tea has high level of antioxidants which improves blood circulation. What you have to do is cool your used tea bags in the fridge, then place them on your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes, and the result is brighter, more awake looking eyes. Done daily can reduce tired looking eyes and gradually erase darkness. Now, third remedy is overnight treatment that works while you sleep, and you'd only need 2 ingredients. This remedy is for those who love overnight solutions. I have a deeply soothing and relaxing aloe vera and vitamin E night gel for you. Aloe vera deeply hydrates and helps repair skin damage, while vitamin E is known as skin vitamin, famous for reducing pigmentation and improving texture. Studies have also found it gives you puffiness and pigmentation-free skin around the eyes. To make this overnight serum, mix 1 teaspoon of pure aloe vera gel with half a capsule of vitamin E oil. Dab it gently under your eyes before going to bed. Leave it overnight. You will wake up to softer, smoother skin, and over time it works like a charm on fading those shadows. Think of this as nature's night shift. It works while you sleep, so you can wake up looking well rested even if you are not. Now, our last remedy for dark circles today is tomato gram flour cooling paste. And after that, I am going to tell you 2 powerful tips for full face care. This is for those who want an instant brightening effect after a long day or before a big event. All you have to do is blend 1 teaspoon fresh tomato juice, mix with half teaspoon besan and a few drops of chilled milk. Apply under the eyes for 10 minutes and then rinse. Why it works is because tomato contains lycopene, a natural brightener. Even studies have observed that tomato extract formulation can effectively improve skin whitening, hydration through an antioxidant mechanism. Besan gently exfoliates. The paste helps brighten skin, reduce pigmentation, and give a fresh, even tone look. What makes it unique is that this gives a cooling sensation while targeting pigmentation. Now let's understand 2 tips for full face care. The first tip is Ice Cube Glow Facial with green tea and cucumber. This one is a morning ritual that will make your face glow. So you have to make a cup of green tea, blend it with some cucumber juice and freeze it into ice cubes. Every morning, gently rub one over cleaned face in circular motion. This will shrink pores, reduce puffiness, improve blood flow, and give you a dewy, calm skin. You will look instantly fresher even on 5 hours of sleep. This isn't your average eye facial. It's like an energy drink for your face. Second tip is 2 minutes facial that you can do once a week. All you have to do is mix 1 teaspoon of honey with 1 teaspoon of rose water. Apply it all over your face. Let it sit for 2 to 5 minutes and then wash it with water. Honey is a natural humectant. It draws moisture into your skin. Rose water calms redness and gives a soft, plump glow. Together, they brighten and soften skin instantly. Remember, while these tips can help, your beauty isn't defined by dark circles or skin tone. There is nothing more radiant than self-confidence and inner peace. So, take care of yourself. Apply what works for you, but never forget you are beautiful just as you. Namaskar.